Hi, I'm DeVonna Meyer, your real estate advocate, and I was out and about looking at some brand new communities that are being built here in Morgan Hill. And this one is called Crosswinds, and it's a master plan community with a pool, clubhouse, playgrounds, and park areas, easy access to Silicon Valley and the wine trail, and it's just a really great location. And wanted to let you know there's a lot of great variety here, but you need to contact me. I can give you a private tour. If you walk in and register, you won't be able to have real estate representation. You will literally be just in the hands of the builder, and what they dictate to you is the deal. So anyway, I've been able to really negotiate some great things with my clients going into new home developments. So be sure to get representation and give me a call before you go in, and we'll go in together.
Different.
One thing that I thought was really fascinating is that this development has an ADU option in this particular model, where you can actually, it will have its own separate entrance. However, it also you can break through the wall where it can be attached to the main house. So you can have both. You can have access through the main house with a separate entry, or you can have just the wall and it have a separate entry if you wanted to have more privacy or use it as a rental. There are no rental restrictions too with this ADU.